Hello, it's your boy. You know who he is. I'm Knuckles. I'm Knuckles that don't chuckle. If you're wondering, Knuckles, why do you not chuckle? Because I don't chuckle. Because I watch you now, boy. Watch you now. Ooh. Anyway, welcome to Knuckles Crack Ups. Enjoy the very first episode of Knuckles, which is Knuckles Crack Ups. And now, enjoy the show. Because I'm Knuckles, I don't chuckle. Come on, Knuckles. I need to find the Master Emerald. It could be there somewhere. Come on, Knuckles. Knuckles needs to find the Master Emerald quick as fast. Knuckles needs to find the Master Emerald. Where can it be? Where can the Master Emerald could be? Knuckles searching. Because I'm Knuckles. I don't chuckle with games. Oh no, Knuckles got chased by a police bot. Oh, you want a piece of me? Take that. That'll teach you. Oh no. Damn, Knuckles lost. If I can't find the Master Emerald in this game, where's the Master Emerald in real life? Aha! Must check my social media. So where's the Master Emerald? Where can it be? So I'm texting, where can you find the Master Emerald? And you'll get back to me soon. And send! While I'm waiting, I need to search for Master Emerald myself, just to keep a good lookout. Watch out, Master Emerald! I'm coming for you now, boy! I'm coming for you now, boy!
Meanwhile,
I can believe I can glide! I can believe I can touch the wall! Knuckles didn't see that coming. Anyway, I'm Knuckles the Little Chuckle. You hear me, Wall? I'm Knuckles the Little Chuckle. I'm watching you now, boy. Watching you now. Not. Now I must look for the Master Emerald. Where are you now, boy? Where are you now? Gonna find you now, boy. Are you there? Nope, not there. Under our trampoline, not there. Hey, Master Emerald, are you there? Oh, sorry, babe. Where's that Master Emerald? I'll tell you for it. Is anyone playing a trick on me? If anyone plays a trick on me, oh man, I'm gonna get him a knuckle sandwich. Yeah, you got that? Gonna give him a knuckle sandwich. Cause Knuckles, I don't chuckle. Okay, I said 100 times, but still, I'm Knuckles don't chuckle. Anyway, time to go back to my house. What have we got here? Okay, if you're looking for the Master Emerald, go to Emerald Court. Where the hell's Emerald Court? I must search for Emerald Court. I'm Knuckles. I'm going out the door.
meanwhile,
I'm on the glide again to find that Emerald Court. So this must be Emerald Court. I need to go there fast. What is this Emerald Court? Must ask someone for directions. Yo, Turtle.
Top of the morning to you.
I didn't know Nintendo hired Irish Turtles. Anyway, are you sure this is Emerald Court?
That's just leaving court, mate.
What? You kidding me? This is Living Court? Oh, damn, I'm at the wrong place.
Bye, see you soon.
Excuse me? Don't say that again.
6 hours later.
Yeah, hee hee.
You! Nobody plays a trick on Knuckles! Nobody! You never guess what happened today, Sonic. Had to beat up that Koopa Trooper because he stole the Master Emerald and I got my cool, sexy Master Emerald back. Knuckles, that's fake. Screw this! Stupid paper.